Okay, guys, this is a severe thunderstorm warning.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Statesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moxville, Tuolumne, Cleveland, Turnersburg, Advance, Cool Springs, Fork Church, Woodleaf, Bermuda Run, and Statesville. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. The storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSTSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m.